Welcome to another pure sound tracking run from Millbrook to Omemee today. And I'm on my 1978 Honda Goldwing GL1000 Scrambler project bike. And there'll be a GPX file below for your GPS to follow the run. It's a nice little smooth run, including a Buddhist temple that you'll see in the video. As I was sitting here getting the camera set up, a guy pulls up in the car asking a few questions about the bike. And this happens a lot. Actually, a lot of kids wave at me, and I think it's because of the exhaust. They try to get me to rev the exhaust up and so on. Anyway, enjoy the run.
Ask you a question. I'm not going to hold you up.
Yeah, sure.
These tubes, these things here, these are a little different than the ones I have. I have an 80, and these are loose, so the headlight is loose.
What do you mean?
These tubes are loose. They wiggle around, so the whole headlight assembly wiggles around.
Oh, you mean you have a fairing?
No fairing, just bare.
Just bare.
Just bare. But these tubes are loose.
Okay, when I turn this though, my whole thing.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is I don't think you understand what I'm trying to tell you.
No.
Okay, it's sitting right like this.
Yeah.
If you grab this tube, the forks stay solid, but this tube moves back and forth. Okay, well, yeah, it's a different model than this, but
You got it close by?
no, it's all in chunks. I'm trying to figure it out. Yeah.
I've been restoring this since the springtime. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Looks very nice.
Thanks. I'm gonna repaint the whole thing into
Yeah.
the straight black and gold and that type of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I'm just creating a video from this road to Omemee.
How about that, eh?
Yeah.
No, it's probably something fairly simple.
Well, this is a 78.
Well, I've got an 80 and an 81. I've got two of them.
So you got 1100.
No, they're 650s.
Oh, they're 650. So it's not even a Goldwing.
No.
This is a Goldwing.
Yeah, I'm aware of that.
I thought you were talking about a Goldwing.
No,
Oh.
I'm just talking about a Honda.
Oh, okay.
They're both 650s. Yeah. Now, what about this wrap in the exhaust business?
That's just to help with heat.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it has baffles.
Yeah.
It's just a wrap to help with heat. It's like an asbestos type of
Yeah.
thing. If you touch that, your fingers will be
Toast. Yeah. Okay. Well, sorry to bother you.
Well, it's all good.
Yeah.
It's all good.
welcome to Bethany, Ontario. This is the second half of our run. You want to have a little bite to eat, there's a place called Champion's Diner and Pizzeria. It's a good little place here up on the left. And just after that on the left is County Road 38, newly paved road, pretty curvy. On this road is a place called Wutai Shan Buddhist Garden. It's a neat little place you can check out in the description. From the road it looks like a movie set. It's so cool.